In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to expertly refine your selections in Photoshop to ensure even the wispiest strands of hair are captured perfectly. First and foremost, open your photo file and check that the subject layer is not locked. If it's named Background and has a little padlock icon, you'll need to unlock it. Simply double-click the layer to convert it from a background to a regular layer, enabling more flexible editing. Next, you'll want to make a rough selection around your subject. This includes the hair area since that will be essential for later refinements. You have a few options here, like using the Quick Selection tool, the Object Selection tool, or even the Lasso tool if you prefer. It's important not to stress about precision at this stage. Our goal is just to get a general selection to work with. Once you have your initial selection active, you're going to move into the refining phase. Navigate to the menu and click on Select, then choose Select and Mask. Alternatively, you might find a workspace button that gets you there just as easily. You'll now enter a specialized panel designed explicitly for refining selections. In the Select and Mask panel, choosing the right view mode is crucial. This helps you detect those tricky stray edges and wispy bits of hair. Options like Overlay, On Black, or Onion Skin can be particularly useful for this task, so pick the one that best showcases the areas needing attention. Inside this panel, you'll find the Refine Edge Brush tool, which is your best friend for this part of the process. Use it to paint along the edges of the hair, focusing specifically on those loose strands, flyaways, and any semi-transparent sections. As you carefully paint over these areas, Photoshop will work its magic to capture the finer details of the hair. Furthermore, the panel includes several sliders that you can adjust to perfect the selection edge. You might consider altering the radius to expand or contract your edge detection. The Smooth slider will help eliminate jagged edges, while Shift Edge allows you to nudge the selection inward or outward. Sometimes a touch of feather can soften the edge, so feel free to experiment with these settings to see what best suits your image. Once satisfied with your refinement, you'll need to decide on an output option at the bottom of the panel. A practical choice for many is the layer mask. Selecting this will ensure your selection is non-destructive, allowing you to fine-tune it even later if needed. After clicking OK, you'll find your subject beautifully selected with intricate hair details preserved, ready to be placed on a new background or further edited. With this technique, you've not only achieved precision in selection, but also expanded your Photoshop skill set. Enjoy your newfound expertise.